Welcome to Quiz Gazette. Can you guess the Astrobot bosses by emoji and voice? Let's find out.
Guess this character by emoji?
Space Bully Nebulax.
Guess this monster by emoji and voice?
Mighty Chewy. Would you rather Mcfly or Needhog? Recognize with like or comment which one you choose and subscribe for both.
Guess this one?
Becca Leon.
Guess by emojis?
Captain Pincher. Can you guess the character by squinting? Mighty Chewy. Find the unique one. This one is odd.
Guess this monster?
Lady Venomara.
Guess by emoji and voice?
Blunderjaw. Rate this Astrobot monster. Comment down your choice.
Can you guess this one?
Tama Trio. Which character appears in this illusion? Space Bully Nebulax. Find the odd one out. Here it is.
Guess this character.
Waco Taco. Put a finger down if you've ever shouted Astrobot no after losing a level. Comment below your answer.
Guess this character by emoji?
Falcon Mcfly.
Guess this monster by emoji and voice?
It's Needhog. What character hides in this distorted image? Falcon McFly.
Guess this one.
Ginny of the Lamp. Rate this Astrobot character. Comment down your choice. Spot the anomaly. The odd one is here. Find the real one. This one is real.
Guess by emojis.
Spider Boss. Guess this monster. Shark Boss. Guess this monster's name. Chief Kawa. Put a finger down if you know this Astrobot boss name. Comment below your answer. Can you identify the Shadows character? Waco Taco. Who's this monster? Captain Short Fuse.
Guess this monster.
Ginny's Revenge. Pick the unusual one. Here's something different. Put a finger down if you've spent more time customizing Astrobot than playing the game. Comment below your answer. Which Astrobot boss can you see? Make a Leon. Which one's out of place? This one is not the same. Who's the character revealed in patterns? Ginny's Revenge. Which monster emerges in this optical illusion? Spider Boss. Can you recognize this character's silhouette? Captain Short Fuse. Can you find the misfit? This one is different. Which one's not like the others? It's the unique one. Which one is the outlier? Look, it's the odd one. Guess which one's different? Here's the unique one. Pick the different one. This one stands out. Which one doesn't belong? Here it is. Find the unique one. This one is odd. Find the odd one out. Here it is! How'd you do? Comment your score, like, and subscribe for more!